Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, My Beautiful Memories, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about regular forms of verbs. So, open up page number 36 and let's get started. First of all, let us see about the verbs. Verbs have many forms. They are used to show different time periods. Regular forms of verbs don't change their spelling. They are made by adding s, es, d or ed and ing. Here are the forms basically. The first one is a base form or root form, which is the form of a verb we can find in a dictionary. For example, walk, talk, and decide. The next is the s or es form. It is used in the simple present tense. For example, walks, talks, and decides. The next is the d or ed form of a verb which is used in the simple past tense. Walked, talked, and decided. And the last form is the ing form of a verb which is used to show continuous action. It is used in present and past continuous tenses. You may take a moment and pause the video here and read the rest of the examples for a better understanding. Once you are done reading, let's come to an activity. Make some sentences using regular forms of verb on a loose sheet. I have made some sentences for you, like you play, she plays, she played, and she is playing. Here, you play is the base form, she plays is the SES form, she played is the D or ED form, and the last one is she is playing, which is the ing form. Similarly, make at least 5 sentences for each form.